Hey, listen, I've got an important message for anybody who's concerned about what's going on in the world, worried about how they're going to pay their bills and take care of their families. Look, with COVID-19 affecting every aspect and every facet of our economy, including the stock market, the real estate markets, there's really no surprise that we're about to enter a major recession. Now, this is very bad news for a lot of people, but for most people, especially if you know what I'm about to share and reveal for you, fortunes are made in times like these. And I know this is true because this is exactly what happened to me. My name is Josh Cantwell. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I'm a real estate investor, and I'm going to show you how I discovered just how easy it can be to make $1,000 an hour using nothing but a laptop, a smartphone, and by capitalizing on this coming real estate investing shift. Now, this isn't the traditional type of investing that you may have heard of or thought about in the past. It doesn't require any money, it doesn't require any credit to get started, and you don't even have to have a real estate license to do this, okay? You don't need any of those things. All you need to know is this loophole that I've discovered, okay? I put together a very short presentation. I want you to click the link in this video now to check out this presentation so I can share this loophole with you so you can do it too, okay? If you wanna find a way, an easy way to make as much as $1,000 an hour with nothing more than a laptop, a smartphone, like the one I'm using to record this, then click the button below or the link in the description right beneath this video to watch this short, life-changing presentation that will explain how everything works, okay? Go ahead and check it out now.